Today's lesson is going to be focusing on the two types of location. Before we start talking about those types of location, though, I would like to briefly review with you about latitude and longitude because they relate closely to the types of location. So again, what is latitude? Lines of latitude run east and west across our Earth, and they measure how far you are north or south of the equator. And again, the equator is just the term for the imaginary line at 0 degrees latitude. On the other hand, longitude run north and south, but they measure how far you are east or west of the prime meridian. And again, the prime meridian, that's the term for 0 degrees longitude. There are 180 degrees of east longitude and 180 degrees of west longitude, making 360 degrees total. Alright, so now that we've reviewed those things, let's talk about absolute location. So latitude and longitude lines crisscross our entire globe to form a grid, and you can use that grid to find exact pinpoint locations. So every single place in the world has one exact spot on the grid. That is called absolute location. So it's exact, it's absolute. On the other hand, there's another type of location called relative location. And it's called relative location because you can describe a location based on its relationship to another spot. So for example, if someone was in Sioux Falls and was asking how to get to Brookings, South Dakota, you can say, well, Brookings is north from Sioux Falls. Or even a more local example, if someone wants to find their way to Buffalo Wild Wings, you could say, well, it's right next to Dunham Sports. So I hope you have a little better understanding of absolute and relative location.